Hello and welcome to Box. Today we're going to be taking you through some of the excellent gaming features available on the Samsung 2021 QN95A Neo QLED TV. So with this TV, you'll get a chance to use the Dynamix Black Equalizer feature. Now this analyses dark scenes and detects moving objects within view, optimising the black levels to reveal things you wouldn't normally have seen on a standard display. For years, gamers have been battling with brightness and dark spots in games that make it hard to see the action, often resulting in enemies sneaking up on you. With advances made in modern display tech, TVs like this include smart features that truly enhance the picture without blowing out the brightness. As you can see here, it really works well with these darker game titles such as Gears of War, giving you the best view in an online campaign for higher chance of defeating your opponents. So I hope this answers some of the questions you have about the gaming features on the QN95A from Samsung. So of course, don't forget to subscribe to Box for more hands-on tech reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.